Zupee is an online gaming platform that offers skill-based games, allowing users to earn money by participating in various gaming activities. Here's how beginners can make money with Zupee. Play skill-based games. Choose from a variety of games. Zupee offers multiple games where you can complete and win real money. Develop your skills. Since these games are skill-based, improving your proficiency can increase your chances of winning. Participate in online gaming tournaments. Complete for cash prizes. Zupee hosts online gaming tournaments where players can compete for cash rewards. Enhance your strategies. Engaging in tournaments allows you to refine your gaming strategies, potentially leading to higher earnings. Utilize referral programs. Refer friends and family. Zupee offers referral programs where you can earn bonuses by inviting others to join the platform. Share your unique referral link. By sharing your referral link, you can earn rewards when new users sign up and start playing. Engage in online surveys and tasks. Complete surveys. Zupee provides opportunities to earn money by completing online surveys and tasks. Offer local services. You can also offer local services such as pet care or babysitting to earn additional income.